Hello sweetie, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm showing you how to make moringa powder from scratch. Please don't go anywhere, stay tuned. I will not be talking too much, just watch everything closely. Every home needs moringa because of its health benefit. You need moringa in your house to be using it time to time at your home. And one of the health benefits that I am looking forward to be using it to help myself right now is its weight loss. It can help you lose weight. So it's win-win for me. So I love this. I love moringa. It's very, very good. And I will make a video now showing you guys the health benefit of moringa. Then you will know what I'm talking about. Okay. Hi once again, and thank you for tuning in today. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you are warmly welcome to this family. And to my new subscribers, you are welcome guys. And to my return viewers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys for coming every single time to this channel. I really appreciate you, and I say God bless you. God richly bless you. And please, if you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed, my dear, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell to be the first to be notified anytime I drop a video. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please do it right now. I'm waiting. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate it. And please make sure not to skip this video. Watch everything closely. And please guys, I have not been seeing your comments. Comment down below, and please let me know where you are watching me from, and let me know if you have tried any of my recipes and tell me how it went. I would love to hear from you. I'm waiting. Wait. Where are you going? Have you subscribed to this channel? But click on the notification bell yet? If not, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell before you leave. Please. And guys, please share this with your loved ones, friends, your family, anyone you can share this video with. Will be really helpful to me. You'll be encouraging me to do more of this for you guys. So please share it. After you have done, make sure to transfer it into a tight container. In my next video, I'll show you how I made my weight loss remedy with this moringa. Love you. Stay tuned.